Customers still ask us about the difference between a Junior and other two-headed machines on the market that are about 21 to 22 inches in width. The main difference with the Junior is it's a direct drive machine. That means the motor is directly over the gearbox and then directly drives the gears which turn the tools. Usually the power is 7.5 horsepower on models similar to ours. On the ones with the motors that are over the wheels, they're about 5 horsepower. The fact that the motor is over the tools adds weight to the tools, so they'll cut more. The weight per tool is about 45 pounds. We're using the weight of the motor to act as an extra weight over the top of the tools to make it more productive. More weight means we need more power to turn the tools under a heavier load, but that's why we use a 7.5 horsepower motor instead of a 5. The direct drive system requires a little more sophistication in the machining and the way things are put together, because there's a lot more precision required in the gears that actually turn those tools. What most people ask is, why does the Junior cost more than the other two-headed models on the market? And as the guts of the machine show, there's a lot more going on inside this machine, but that's because we're using more weight and more power to turn the tools. Therefore, the system has to be a little more sophisticated to be able to handle the work. Also, with a system that's more precise, that means a lot longer time before the machine has to actually be serviced. This particular machine that's sitting here right now has about 250 hours on it. This is the machine I've used for a couple months now, doing demos, doing garages, doing areas in the shop, and the amount of time that the machine has been used, the oil is still pristine. The gears are still clean. There is no rust. There's no issue whatsoever with the gearbox because of that precision and because of the fact that it's sealed shut. Again, when people ask why does a Junior cost more than the other 21 or 22 inch two-head models on the market, the inside of the machine tells the story of why that is. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions or comments, please ask those below. Drop us a like if you enjoyed the video, and thanks again for watching. We appreciate it.